Hello and welcome to your walkthrough of your client portal and the walkthrough of your property website and marketing kit. I am so excited you're here. We have so much great stuff for you guys to simplify your marketing and make this just super easy for you. All right, let's dive right in. I want to start by showing you your dashboard and what you're going to see when you log into your client portal. First off, here's your dashboard, and you can order a photo shoot right here. You can see all those sites that we're preparing for you. And then you can see all of your property sites here as well with some quick links to get you to the property site to view it, to edit the property, to take you to the marketing kit, or to download photos. There's also your referral code down here at the bottom. So this is great. You're going to want to copy and paste this and send it to all your friends who you refer to Focus Media Collective, because you will receive $20 off your next shoot by giving out your referral code. Next up, we're going to go through your client portal and look at your account setup. So first off, you're going to want to fill out as much information as you can here. The more you can put in, the better, because this stuff is going to populate within your property website and on some of your marketing materials. Anytime you make an update, just be sure you hit the Save Updates button down here at the bottom so you don't lose everything. And then you can add your photos and a cutout photo of you. You actually have to cut this out yourself, so you can either use Canva to do that, or if you send it to us, we can do that for you. And then you can add your logos down here as well. Next, we'll go over to sites, and this is where all of your media that we've ever shot for you will live. So every shoot we've done for you will live within the sites tab. It's an easy way to get to your sites as well. Just note that the media will fall asleep after about 2 or 3 months, just to save on storage. So if you notice that your media is not available, just shoot us a text or an email and we will get that activated for you. Also, the property website and marketing kit is only valid for 1 year. So after 1 year, it will need to be renewed, and there is an additional charge for that. So when you go into the property, you'll be able to see that button to renew it if you still need to use that property to list it, or you want to grab some of those photos to use on social media. Next up, let me show you where you're going to download your photos and how to do that, because that's probably one of your biggest questions. How do I get my photos, Rachel? All right, so you're going to go to your site, you're going to click on it, and it's going to bring you in here, and you're going to go to Site Media. This is where all your photos will live. Okay, and then all your floor plans will be here, and all of your virtual tours and video tours will be here as well. So on here, you can drag and drop these photos in whatever order you want. I would suggest dragging and dropping them and sorting them within our system, and then when you download them, they'll be in that specific order for you to upload onto the MLS. Be sure, if you did get a video with your property, to put that in the very first slot, because that is actually going to be the first thing you see when you pull up the property website, is the first slide here. If you do a video, it'll automatically play the video, and then it'll filter through all the photos. If you don't have a video, it will just do a slideshow through all the photos in order of how they are sorted here on this page. So make sure you're sorting your photos. Okay, if we want to download the video, we go to the download page. We're going to accept the copyright license, and then we're going to scroll down here. We've got your Matterport tour. We've got a URL and an embed code. So if you want to embed this onto your website, this is where you grab that code from, or the links are here that you can copy and paste into the MLS. There is a branded and an unbranded version of the tours. The MLS is the unbranded version, and this one is the regular version. Same with your videos. You've got branded and unbranded. You just click the download button, and then it's going to give you an option for what size you want to download. Now, if you are going to be posting this video onto Facebook, be sure that you're posting the actual video file, the MP4 file, not the link, because if you have the MP4 file, as people are scrolling down Facebook, it will automatically start to play. If they have the link, they'll have to push the play button in order to get that video to play. So be sure you're using this actual MP4 file for your video if you're putting it on Facebook. And then also your Zillow 3D home tour links will be here as well. And then you can download all the photos. We've got the MLS size photos that are resized automatically for the MLS, making it super easy for you, or we have the original size ones over here. You can also do a custom size if you wish. And then if you just want to download a couple photos, maybe you just need like 2 of them for social media posts or something, you can do that here. Just click the box. Click the little download button, and you'll download an individual photo, and then you can download your floor plans down here as well. So original size, MLS size. All right, now let's head over to the site data tab. This is where you're going to put in all the listing information. So everything about the property that goes in here will populate onto your listing flyers and onto your property website and marketing kit. So be thorough, put in a property description, put any noteworthy amenities. Those will also show up on your flyer. We'll see that later. And then be sure to hit that Save Updates button. Also, if your pin is in the wrong spot, let's say it's new construction and they got it wrong, you can drag and drop this pin wherever you want to set that. And next, let's go to print materials. So we've got printable flyers for you that are fully customizable. You can add a different flyer template here. There's quite a few to choose from. Some of them have a back, like birch front, birch back, so you can choose which ones you want. You can also mix and match them if you want to. You can easily edit these. You just hit edit and then you click on the photo, and then you can just select whatever photo you want to be on the flyer. Make sure you save and close when you're done with that. You can also change like colors and the font and all that kind of stuff within here as well. So lots of different options here: shape, text, heading. You can add boxes and all kinds of stuff, so you can just kind of go wild in there if you want, or just use the basic templates and you're good to go. Next is the site design. So this is your property website design. So you can change, there's a lot of different templates. There's different colors that you can choose from: black, blue, red, teal, a bunch of different colors you can choose from, and a lot of different templates in here for you to choose from for that property website. So you can choose whatever style fits your needs. And then we can also do a custom URL for your property website. Just contact support and we'll help you get that activated. And then you can also pick some background music that will play when people open your property website. Over here on site activation, this is going to give you some of your branded links. It's kind of an easy way to get your property website branded and unbranded links. There's also a download page for photos. So if you have like a marketing gal that helps you with that, you can send her just this link and it'll bring her right to that download page. You do have to pay for your photos before you can download them, so just keep that in mind. And then the property owner preview, this will give the clients a preview of the property. So you can text this to your clients or email it over, and then they can check out all the photos and media. Next up is the marketing kit. It is so great. There's so much in here for you guys, just making marketing simple for you. So the first thing you're going to see right here is that you can add the property info from here if you forgot to. Over in the site data section, you can do it here. You can upload your profile photo and your logo from here as well, and then you can update your profile data too. So make sure all of this is up to date so that everything will populate onto your flyers, onto your social media posts, and onto your property website. All right, so we've got some social media videos. So these are little reels. They're just short little reels, but it's a piece of content that you can easily post to social media when you have a new listing. Again, same thing, you can edit these, super easy. Go in and delete stuff if you don't like the fireworks. You can take them out, make it more simple. You can change the text and change out the picture here. And then we've got posts. These are just graphics that you can add for reels. You can add trending audio over them. You can add them to your stories. And these are fully customizable, and there's a whole bunch of different templates here that you can choose from for those graphic posts as well. And they also come in landscape for Facebook. So if you are a Facebook person, you can add these onto Facebook. And then there's also square posts for Instagram. The post is actually a square photo, so you'll want to use one of these for your post. And then we've got a Pinterest tower with all the photos on there. If you're not using Pinterest in your marketing, this is a good opportunity to jump into a sea where not a lot of brokers are. There's not a lot of people marketing their listings over on Pinterest, so it's something to think about, and we have a marketing asset for you that you can use. Next is your site videos, and these are not your property videos. These are actually slideshow videos that are produced from the photos that you have in your site media. Remember how I told you to put them all in order? Well, you need to make sure they're in order because they're going to play in that order on this little slideshow. So I'll just hit play so you can see what it does. It's just going to filter through the photos pretty quickly. You've got a square option and a horizontal for Facebook. And down here is a longer version of that video. If you wish to have it play for 6 minutes and 22 seconds, you can share that one as well, a little long. So now we're into the property website. This is my favorite part. I will show this to you in just a second. But this is where you get your links right here. There's a branded and unbranded link for you. So make sure you are always using the unbranded links on the MLS. And you can edit the details and the design here, and you can preview the site. So let's go ahead and preview the site so you can see what it's all about. So again, the first picture that you have on your site media is the one that's going to play first. It's got the address, obviously your name and stuff, and then all the details are up here for a quick navigation. And as we scroll down, we see the property details that you put in. We've got a Matterport tour here, our interior video, a Zillow tours here, all the property details. We've got the call outs. Your printable flyers are also available for them to download here. It does show the schools and the local demographics as well, and then this is your floor plan. And then it takes you into the photo gallery. You can show more, and that will show literally all the photos, so you're not limited to just 40 like on the MLS. So this is a great way to really showcase all the photos that we take for you, because we do not put a limit on the amount of photos we take. We just shoot to cover the space. Next, you're going to see your floor plans that are embedded on the site, and then all of your social links that you have here. So make sure you're populating all your social media links on your information on your account so that those pop up there. And then there is a contact form here so they can get in contact with you, and then a really great interactive map that is pretty awesome. And you can scroll around and check out the terrain, and it's kind of fun. Play with that one. So that is your property website. Pretty amazing. And right here is a QR code that you can download. I would highly suggest you print this out in an 8x10, laminate it, and put it on your signpost. Since COVID, everybody knows how to use QR codes. So this is a great way to just get more eyes on your listing. You can also add them to your flyers. You can add them to your silent talkers, put them to your mailers that you're going to send out to the neighborhood. Just put them everywhere you can possibly think of. And then again, here are some of the other templates that you can use, different layouts for the property website that you can choose from. And then your printable flyers are here as well. And then you have a weekly traffic report that will give you kind of an insight into what's happening with your views on your property website. And lastly, we have the lead capture. So this phone number, if you print this out and put it on your signpost and say, text 3820 to the above number, they can text this number and it will send them a link to the property website for them to check out. They can also call and it will give them the information about that property. If you ever have any questions, please click the support tab and you can give us a call or email us here at Focus Media Collective. Thank you so much for hanging out for this walkthrough. I hope this answered some of your questions. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more, and we are here to make your life easier and help simplify your marketing. Have a great day and we'll see you soon.